Hey yo, this is another hotel review and today we're checking out Shiba Park Hotel in Tokyo, Minato City. This hotel is pretty special and you'll see why in this video. Let's get to it. So we're here checking out the Shiba Park Hotel. So this hotel was founded in 1948 and one of the special features about this hotel is the fact that it actually is a library hotel. What that means is it has a ton of books, so if you're into books, a pretty good hotel to check into. There's 1,500 books from memory displayed here in the hotel, so let's go check it out. I'll give you a room tour and all the facilities as much as I can, or at least what facilities they are, and yeah, let's go take a look. So this is the lobby waiting room, I guess you could say. There's a lot of books here. So there is a separate lounge area as well. And for reference, the check-in process was pretty straightforward. Just had to talk to the attendant and they sorted everything out. There's a lot of not English books, I guess you could say, Japanese books, focus on Japan here. Looks like there's some alcohol here that you can buy. A tornado dispenser. Okay, interesting. So stuff you can buy here to take home, chopsticks and stuff. There's a foreign exchange machine here. The rates are pretty bad, not gonna lie. But I guess if you're desperate. So this is the dining lounge. It's on the first level. You can dine here, have a light meal, as you can see here. Looks like some Western stuff. I believe if you have breakfast included, you dine here. So let's go head up to the library now. So you can see a nice staircase and a lot of books here. Let's go head up. So we're currently on level 2. There's a bunch of books here. Yeah, very traditional bowl. A low price of $1,400. So it looks like there's a bit of space here. I don't know what's behind that room. I'm not gonna go find out. There's a cloak room here. And here's what you call, I guess, a library. It looks like this is a mini lounge area, and you guess you have the waiting room area, which also has a lot of books. So let's go explore some of the other levels now. As you see, level 1 and level 2 has the majority of the books in my opinion. So we're going to take a look at some of the other levels now. Now before anyone asks, there is no gym here unfortunately. A lot of hotels in Japan just doesn't have gyms. I think it's just more of a culture thing. Gym's not a big deal here. So yeah, if you want a gym, probably not the right hotel to pick. Okay, so we checked out level 1. Okay, so the library lounge we just checked. So we'll go to level 4. We'll check out the laundromat quickly. And then we'll go to level 5. Show you the microwave and ice machine. And then we'll take a few other... We'll check out some of the other levels as well. Machines, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so it's all in English as well. There's a dryer and a washer if you need it. I actually just use this one. So yeah, pretty convenient. The only thing to note is you need $100 yen coins, and there's no vending machine from where I can see, at least around level 4. So you're gonna have to find like 600 yen coins as FYI. And if you're truly lazy, all you really need to do is just use the laundry in room. However, that costs money, a lot more money. So yeah, something to keep in mind. So here level 5 now, you got one microwave and an ice machine. So you just press this button and dispenses ice. Simple. Alright, let's go check it out. We're here on level 6. We're just kind of hogging the elevator door right now. So this is the crafts section. There's no massage chair, they lie to me. But either way, there are books here. This is the crafts. The Art of Emptiness. Well, that's a bit sad. But yeah, you can kind of chill out in the lounge here. And then FYI, every floor has a filtration water system. It's unfortunately not in your room, but I mean, at least there's water. You have to go buy water yourself. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna check out a few other levels. I'm curious to see if they're all the same, but generally I think they are, at least from what I can see. I'm on 6 and 7. I'll check 8 now and do 9, and then we can finish up there. So this is the photography section. Photo. Quite a similar layout, as you can see. If I just step out a bit. So a few shelves of levels of books. So these are all photography books, I'm assuming. You know what, let's open one of them. Let's see this one. Stephen Shaw. Oh, there you go. Some photography books. Well, there you go. Alright. So here's a room tour. So we've already stayed here for one night, so it's a bit messy. 3 guys camping one room. You're gonna expect a bit of a mess. However, I'm gonna go through all the facilities in this room. So on first glance, as you can see through the doorway, there's 2 beds here. This is a triple bunk bed room. Everywhere there's a twin bed, and then there's 1 bed here. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. Then you have a bit of space here for 1 luggage area, and another space for a bit of space for another luggage area. And then you have a TV here. I think it's a 50-inch from memory, if I remember. And then each level has a little port, as you can see here. You control the room, the lights, and you get 1 plug here and a 1 USB plug over there as well. As you can see. You get 2 pillows, decent amount of room in terms of the beds. The beds are really nice, but you will struggle a bit if you have a lot of luggage, because as you can see, it's a bit of a mess down here, trying to squeeze a lot of luggage. We actually moved the chair from over there to here, so there's a bit more luggage over there. Either way, there's 6 coat hangers, I believe, and then there's a spray bottle for deodorizing, etc. You get some towels, you get some slippers. You also get these slippers as well to walk around the hotel. And then in the bathroom, you got 3 cups for 3 people, obviously. You have some amenities here, so you got, I don't know what this is actually. You have a vanity kit, razors, hairbrush, a body towel, I guess that you can kind of carry around. It's actually kind of nice, I might take that. Some bath salts, well there you go. If you want a bath, there's a bath here. They also use this Japanese switch, which is very simple. You pull the right for if you want a shower head, or the, I guess, the normal tap, and then the left controls the temperature. Honestly, I'm a bigger fan of these versus Western shower heads or shower turn, whatever you want to call it. These things, taps? I guess you call it taps. Japanese toilet, very standard. You got a Japanese toilet here, hair dryer. There are some other amenities I think you might be able to request for, but either way, that's pretty much it in terms of that. And then here you got a kettle, you got a few more plugs here. You got, let's see what we got. We got cups. We have a fridge here. There's also a safe if you ever need it down here. And I think that's a bathrobe. So yeah, and what's in here? Some tea, coffee, and some bowls. So yeah. And that is it. So for my room, I'm giving it an 8 out of 10 because it's really good for budget conscious travelers with 3 people. So if you have 6, you can book 2 rooms. We actually did this. We had 6 people and it was perfect. $100-ish per night. Really, really good bargain, especially for such a clean room. And you have all the amenities, really high quality amenities, really high quality, just everything for this room. The only downside to this room is that it's not very big. It's quite tight for 3 people. I think if it was sort of 2 people, it would have been perfect, but for 3 people, it is pretty tight.